I'm Captain Starlight, and welcome to another Fun with Captain Starlight Unbox and Play. Today, we are building and playing with Lego. But before we begin, can you like and subscribe to our channel? Have you done it yet? Great work! Let's go! Lego! Today, we're building one of these cool mini sets from the 11021 90 Years of Play, a commemorative Lego classic set that celebrates 90 years of play. That includes 15 mini models of some of Lego's most iconic sets. And in this video, the mini model we're making is the super colourful Lego Friends 41340 Friendship House from 2017. I want to go to there! Time for the Friendship House, but not just a regular Friendship House, the super colourful Friendship House. There we go. Let's build it up, shall we? There's one block there. Pretty cool archway. That goes right there. Put that there, and then maybe like a front little patio. Grand designs. Watch out. That one on the top there. I'm really liking the pink. Having a beautiful colour palette for your friendship house is very important. Time to add another level because we've got so many levels. This is level up on the friendship house. Let's make it taller. Add this one here. There we go, build it up, build it up. Oh, this is an epic friendship house. We should probably have a roof. So the roof goes on top. That is the coolest roof I've ever seen in my life. Have you seen a roof cooler than this? Wow, look at that. That is the coolest friendship house I've ever seen. It's super colorful. Let's add some cute little plants here. Add it onto the front garden like a pink flag. Oh, amazing. That is, I want to move in straight away. I think I'd love the blue floor. That will be my level. That will be my bedroom right there. So if you want to see some more cool unboxing and plays like this one here, click the link down below. And if you want to be my BFF, please click the like button and the subscribe button. And I'll see you next time. Bye!